Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided I wanted to make some jerk chicken wings, and I will be making my jerk seasoning from scratch. So I said, you know what, let me just share this recipe with my YouTube family. And to get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some scallions or green onions and thyme. I have some brown sugar, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. I have some ground allspice and whole allspice. I have some dry jerk seasoning here. I have my habanero peppers. I have salt, black pepper, 1 lemon. I have some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar. You can use whatever vinegar you like. I have here some onions, garlic, and ginger. Let's get started. So to get started, I'll just go ahead and separate the thyme leaves from the stems. And I will also cut my peppers and remove the seeds because I don't want my jerk seasoning too spicy. Next, we'll go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients to the blender. You could also use a food processor for this step. Basically, what we're doing here is just blending all of the ingredients. I like my jerk seasoning to a chunky consistency, but if you like yours smooth, you can go ahead and blend it the way you like. I also like to use the balsamic vinegar in place of white vinegar because the balsamic vinegar acts as a coloring agent for my jerk seasoning. I don't like to use artificial coloring. I like my seasoning to be, a natural color. So that's why I just use the balsamic vinegar instead, because it has a nice dark color to it and it helps to color my jerk seasoning. Now I will finish this up and then I will show you guys what it looks like when it's all blended. And this is how I like my jerk seasoning, a little bit chunky. I don't like it too smooth. And I like this natural color here. I don't like my jerk seasoning too dark. So this is perfect for me. Okay guys, so this is how I make my jerk seasoning. This is super delicious on chicken, seafood, or any kind of meats. And once you learn how to make your own jerk seasoning, you will never buy the one in the store ever again. This is super easy, simple, and anyone can make this. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!